Howdy, everybody. This is Steve, and last week I was recording the PCJS, the PC emulator over JavaScript video. You can find it up there, and got a little sidetracked. It's actually well, it's one of the most annoying things of this hobby, and it's also one of the most fun things of this hobby is to get sidetracked. And what I got sidetracked with was Windows 386. We're going to go install Windows 386 this time. Stick around. So we've been scrolling through the top of the list. Let's go to the bottom of the list and work our way backwards. Remote disk, local disk, different versions of Zork, WordStar, Word for Windows, Wolfenstein, Wizardry. What is Wizardry? Wizardry 1 master disk. Okay, that might be a bootable thing. I don't know. Windows 386 2.1. Don't remember a Windows version 2. Windows 286, Windows 386. Apps setup, alright, setup, load, retry. Oh. Setup. Oh, this is back when Microsoft was just doing plain old black and white programs. Setup program for Windows 386 version 2.1.1. When you're ready to continue, press enter. Sure. C:/Win386. And this is actually a compact 386 machine. And I want to do VGA, which is fine. US keyboard, Microsoft mouse is fine, so no change on that. And it's just going to start installing. Setup will install a printer or plotter. I don't have one, so we'll just continue past it. Country settings is fine. Insert the utilities to disk. Press enter. And now it's copying that. Desktop applications and write program disk. Must be the apps disk. Yes, go ahead and modify and create my AutoExec bat. That's fine by me. There's advanced information available in README files. You can view those with Notepad. Press any key to continue setup. Oh, awesome. It'll do some memory management. Run memset now. Let's do it. That was quick. Oh, memset is running next. C drive is fine. I don't think it's smartdrive.sys. I think it's smartdrive.exe. Utilities to disk. Let's go ahead and change the config sys to load smart drive, and then we've got smart drive in config sys and smart drive in AutoExec bat, so that's going to be a problem. Let's see how much of a mess it made. Set for high mem, smart drive. Okay, whoops. All right, I'm going to comment that out. It doesn't start Windows automatically when it reboots. Interesting. Let's send Control-Alt-Delete. We haven't gotten our starting MS-DOS screen yet. It's probably counting up RAM. 0 feedback to the end user. And as a result of that, it hasn't run the smartdrive.sys, which may or may not work. Since the smartdrive.exe post-dates this version of Windows, smartdrive.exe is probably going to be better than smartdrive.sys. Oh, finally starting MS-DOS. Thank you. Smart drive incorrect DOS version. Excellent. That's what I thought was going to happen. All right, let's get rid of that. Oh, stop that. Let's reboot it one more time to get any version of Smart Disk loaded. All right, so that works. Win86. Oh, Windows 386 version 2.11 has been altered since originally set up for better performance. Please reinstall Windows. No. No, I'm not going to do that. Calculator. This is running pretty snazzy. 7 times 4. Mouse is a little laggy. Equals 28. Okay. I love the color scheme, though. Calendar. Yep. Let's bring the calculator back up. Yep. Clock. Control. Nice. CVT paint. Paint conversion utility. Nope. Do this. Shop for new suit. Phone dentist. Nice. Huh, the MS-DOS executive. That's what we were already running. Is it running twice? Oh, it's running twice. Excellent. Excellent. So now we've got Write running, the MS-DOS executive running, Notepad running, Notepad running again, Control panel running, Calculator running, Calendar running, and Clock running. And it's doing the thing. No right-clicking available. Yes, let's end Windows. That was an unexpected surprise. Okay, now I know why I don't remember Windows 386. It was not very memorable. I don't remember that there was a lot of applications created for Windows 386 when it came out, and it didn't really offer much benefit. I mean, it offered multitasking, but it was ugly. It was really ugly. The color choices of the late 80s. Anyway, I hope you found this video interesting. And if you like videos like this, there will be tons of them on this channel. We just explore old tech here. And if you're not subscribed, please do so. There is a video right over there that I think you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. We'll see you in the next one.